Good morning, students. Let us start a question, and I have given you in assignment already. There is a question that prove that square root 2 plus square root 3 is a rational number. To prove this one, let us assume that square root 2 plus square root 3 is a rational number. As you know that if it is a rational number, then you can express this one as p upon q, and where p and q both are, you are supposing that are co-prime integers and q is not equal to 0. So to prove this one, as there is another method, you can squaring both sides, you can add to the square of this one, but that is more typical. As to prove this one in a simplest way, you will take this square root 3 on one of the side. So this you can add this one as p upon q minus square root 3, and this will be equal to square root 2. So after squaring on both side, what you will get, you will have a minus b whole square equal to your square root 2 whole square. So applying a minus b whole square identity here, you have a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to 2, that is square root 2 whole square. So to prove this one, what you will do, our motive is to make this root 3 alone. Your motive is to make this root 3 alone. So what you are doing, you are writing this 2 on this side and you are taking this whole on another side. So you are writing this as 3 minus 2. You will write this as p square upon q square plus 1 equal to 2 root 3 p by q. So you can take this q on in this multiply, and p is on divide and 2 is also in divide there. So you will write this as square root 3. Since we know that after simplification we have this one p square plus q square upon 2pq equal to square root 3. So p and q both are integers, and we know that sum of two integers is also rational. And if we divide the multiplication of the integers means that you have 2pq, it means that this whole will be a rational number. But on the right hand side we have square root 3, that is irrational. You already proved that one. Okay, so it means you are saying that if it is rational, then you will say this square root 3 is also a rational number. But we know that that is wrong, that is not a rational number. So this contradicts the fact that square root 3 is rational. So our assumption is false. Hence, you can say that square root 2 plus square root 3 is irrational. So that is all about this question. So we'll do some other questions in next part.